Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're looking at Lil Pump again. I know we've been hitting on this a lot lately, but Lil Pump has been doing so much to his hair lately. We've first seen him do the pink and blonde, we've seen him do the red and green, we've seen him do the teal, and then the purple, and then now he's rocking the black again. Not only is he rocking the black again, but he actually cut some of his dreadlocks and then installed them to some of his other dreadlocks. So he has dreadlock extensions in, which is his real hair. Mind you, there's nothing wrong with fake dreadlocks, there's nothing wrong with dreadlock extensions, but it is really interesting that Lil Pump did this. I've never seen this done before. I did get word that actually Boonk kept his old dreadlocks and reinstalled them. That's why his hair looks so realistic, and that's what Lil Pump is actually doing now. So we're gonna take a look at some before and after the dreadlock extensions. You guys can let me know what you think about in the comment section. First off, I want to give a shout out to, so make sure to comment down below so you can get a shout out in the next video, but let's jump straight into it. So I mostly just want to remind you guys of this video right here, and this is when he recently dyed his hair that teal color, and the dreadlocks in the front are actually really short right here. You guys can see it, and his hair is interlocked. That's something we learned recently as well, and his hair then was actually super frizzy. Now everything's making sense now why his dreadlocks seem to look fake over time. Obviously with his hair being dyed and bleached and all this stuff, it will look fake, it will look frizzy, it will look weird. But another thing is that he probably has been doing this for a while, cutting his dreads, maintaining the length, and then installing them if he wants them to be longer, and then cutting them again. It's kind of just a whole process. And here is a newer video to where you can see that his hair is all the way down to his chin, and I mean honestly, like, he has extensions in his hair. There's no way to disprove that his hair is actually longer now, because in his story, someone actually sent me a clip of his story of him holding a cut dreadlock, and he's actually done this before. I remember I did a video on it before. It's where he was cutting his dreads, and then I'm assuming later on he installed them again. But we've seen that he did it recently. There's no really proof on him doing it before, but we do see that he actually did this recently. So it almost gives hope to people, like if they want to cut their hair shorter and then they might not like it after cutting it, you can reinstall it all the time. But you can see that his dreads are actually looking really weird in the front. They're knotted up in weird places, but that does come from cutting them and reinstalling them. And then now we can see that his hair is almost black. It looks kind of dark green, and that kind of comes with it. If you bleach your hair then you dye your hair black, it will have like a weird green tone to it. I don't know why it does that, but that's kind of how it goes. I was looking at this video recently, and you can just see how frizzy his hair is in this video. Yo, it's really interesting to see how his hair can go from that frizzy to actually pretty maintained, and I'm assuming they do that with crochet hooking. That's the easiest way to actually handle that. But it is interesting for him to go from this short bang hairstyle to a more maintained look, and actually a longer hairstyle with his own dreadlock extensions put in. So that's always really interesting. What do you guys think? Is it cool? Is it not cool? I honestly don't mind. I think it's actually really interesting for him to have cut his own dreads and then install them as extensions. Well guys, that was another update on Lil Pump. I'm not sure how many of these is gonna happen. I kind of predicted that all this stuff was gonna happen in one of my earlier videos of Lil Pump, that he's gonna keep changing his hair just because it's something that is going on. Like, you've seen it in Lil Uzi Vert, you've seen it in like all these other artists like Boom Gang. You see all these other people that are changing their hairstyles so frequently. Lil Pump is one of those people. But what do you guys think is next? Is he gonna cut all of his dreads? Is he gonna put more extensions in? Is there gonna be another hair color that he's going for? You guys comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.